This is Uniqlo round mini shoulder bag, and this is one of the best-selling bag in Uniqlo. And you can put any essential things in Uniqlo round mini shoulder bag. Uniqlo round mini shoulder bag. Details: compact design with surprising storage capacity. Casual nylon fabric with a naturally wrinkled texture. Water repellent finish protects against light rain. Rounded shape fits the body. Materials: shell 100% nylon. Filling 100% polyester. Lining 100% polyester. Shoulder 100% polyester. Washing instructions: do not wash, do not dry clean, do not tumble dry. Wipe gently with a cloth, dampen with mild diluted laundry detergent. That's it for the Uniqlo round mini shoulder bag. Thank you for watching.